Maternity and paternity leave. Income during time off. Planning for your family's future. When a new baby arrives, taking time off work is essential for bonding and recovery. However, understanding how to manage your income during this period is crucial for financial stability. Let's explore the key aspects of parental leave and how to plan effectively for this important life transition. There are two main types of parental leave. Maternity leave is designed for birthing parents and typically lasts 12 to 16 weeks. This extended period accounts for physical recovery from childbirth and initial bonding time. Paternity leave is available for non-birthing parents and often ranges from 2 to 12 weeks. The duration varies significantly depending on your employer and location. Understanding these basic distinctions helps you plan accordingly. Parental leave can be structured in 3 different ways. First, paid leave means your company continues providing your salary during time off. This is the most beneficial option, but not universally available. Second, state disability insurance programs offer partial wage replacement through government funding. These programs vary by state and typically cover 50 to 70% of your regular income. Third, unpaid leave through the Family and Medical Leave Act, or FMLA, protects your job but provides no income replacement. Knowing which category applies to you is the foundation of financial planning. Income replacement varies dramatically based on your coverage type. With full paid leave, you receive 100% of your regular salary throughout the leave period. State disability programs typically provide 60% of your wages, leaving a 40% gap you'll need to cover. Unpaid leave means 0% income replacement, requiring you to rely entirely on savings or other resources. Understanding these percentages helps you calculate exactly how much income you'll receive and what financial adjustments are necessary. The basic calculation is straightforward. Your income during leave equals your monthly salary multiplied by your coverage percentage, then multiplied by the leave duration. For example, if you earn $5,000 per month and have 60% coverage for 12 weeks, you'll receive approximately $9,000 total during your leave. This is calculated as 5,000 times 0.6 times 3 months, equaling $9,000. Running this calculation early allows you to plan for any income shortfall. Successful leave planning involves 3 critical steps. First, check your company policy by reviewing human resources documentation for paid leave benefits and duration. Every employer has different policies, so don't assume anything. Second, research state programs to investigate disability insurance and family leave programs available in your location. Some states offer generous programs while others provide minimal support. Third, calculate your income gap by determining the difference between your regular salary and expected leave income. This gap is what you'll need to cover through savings or budget adjustments. 4 strategies help bridge the income gap during leave. Building an emergency fund means saving 3 to 6 months of expenses before the birth. This provides a financial cushion for reduced income periods. Timing paid time off strategically involves using vacation days to extend your paid leave period. Many parents combine vacation, sick days, and parental leave for maximum coverage. Adjusting your budget requires reducing discretionary spending during the leave period. Cut non-essential expenses temporarily to match your reduced income. Finally, partner coordination means staggering leave between parents to maximize family income. If both parents work, taking leave at different times keeps more money flowing into the household. Before taking leave, complete these essential actions. Review all available leave benefits to understand exactly what you're entitled to receive. Calculate expected income during the leave period using the formula we discussed earlier. Create a reduced income budget for leave months that matches your anticipated earnings. Build a savings buffer of at least 2 to 3 months' expenses as a financial safety net. Completing this checklist before your baby arrives reduces stress and ensures financial stability during this precious time. 3 common mistakes can derail your leave planning. Not applying early enough is a frequent problem. Submit all leave paperwork 30 to 60 days before your due date to ensure timely processing and payment. Underestimating expenses is another pitfall. Remember to account for new baby costs like diapers, formula, and medical expenses when budgeting your leave period. Finally, ignoring benefits coordination means missing out on potential income. Understand how company benefits and state programs work together. Sometimes you can stack benefits or use them sequentially for maximum financial support. Let's review the essential points. Plan early and understand your benefits by researching both company and state programs well in advance. Calculate your income gap accurately using the simple formula of salary times coverage percentage times duration. Build a financial cushion before leave by saving aggressively in the months leading up to your baby's arrival. Finally, coordinate with your partner for optimal coverage by staggering leave periods when possible. With proper planning, you can enjoy this special time with your new baby without financial stress. Remember, preparation is the key to a smooth and financially stable parental leave experience.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.